Here are 10 reasons why your guitar tone might suck and how to fix it. Number 1, too much gain. Dial it back for more clarity and articulation. Number 2, too much presence. Too much presence can make your tone harsh and piercing. Try backing it off for a smoother sound. Number 3, not enough mids. If you don't have enough mids in your tone, you won't be heard in the mix. Boost the mids to cut through and be heard. Number 4, badly timed delay. Badly timed delays can muddy up your playing. Sync your delay to the tempo for a cleaner and more professional sound. Number 5, too much low end. Too much low end can make your tone boomy and undefined. Roll it back for a tighter sound. Number 6, not playing to the tone. If you're not playing to the tone, your technique and tone won't mesh. Match your playing style to the tone you've dialed in. Number 7, bad speakers or poorly matched IRs. Experiment with gear or IRs to get a more accurate, high quality sound. Number 8, you could be using the wrong strings. Different string gauges can totally change your tone, so experiment to find the best fit for your style. Number 9, you could be using the wrong pick. Just like strings, the pick you use matters. A small change can affect how your tone comes across. And number 10, you haven't checked out Live Play Rock tones. Their tones are perfect straight out of the box, so head over and upgrade your tone game. Fix these 10 things and your tone will be killer. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more pro tips.